Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Want to stop the startup sound on your Predator laptop? Let me show you a quick way to disable it. First of all, open the sound setting, press Windows plus I to open the setting and go to the system. Go to the system here at the left side, and go to the sound. Scroll down and you will see the option called click more sound settings and access sound control panel. In the sound control panel, go to the sound tab. Under the program event, look for Windows startup, then disable the startup sound. Uncheck play Windows startup sound, click apply or OK to save changes. After you have changed here, simply click on OK. Then restart the laptop, restart your Predator laptop. And that's it. Your Predator laptop will now start silently. Like, subscribe and share for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.